tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's a pleasure to see you again today with our 11th lesson. So in today's lesson, I'm going to teach you some French expression and some good wishes depending on situation. If you are watching me for the first time, then my name is Khezran and I'm your French teacher. I'm gonna give you one lesson every week. I do my best to give one lesson at least every week. So let's get started. So the most common way to wish someone in French is bonne chance. If you want to give someone good wishes, then you say bonne chance. But it depends on situation. As in English, there are so many ways to wish someone supposed to have speedy recovery or to succeed in job interview or to get good luck with a new starting of life or a new project. So how will you say all this in French language? If you are learning French for the first time, so this video is exactly for you. So don't leave the video in between. You are going to improve your vocabulary today. First of all, if your friend or your any known is going for job interview, how you are going to wish him or her good luck? As in English, we say, I wish you good luck for your job interview. So how will you say in French? Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien. That is for familiar way. I repeat again. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien. Or you could say in simple way, bonne chance pour ton entretien. Bonne chance pour ton entretien. If you want to be more precise, then you can say bonne chance pour ton entretien d'embauche. Bonne chance pour ton entretien d'embauche. I repeat in slow way. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien. Or you could say bonne chance pour ton entretien. Or you can precise bonne chance pour ton entretien d'embauche. Okay, that is the familiar one. Right? Now if we want to see the formal way, then what you will say? Je vous souhaite. Je vous souhaite, because we always use vous for formal situation, right? So, je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre entretien. As in familiar, we were using je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien. Here, in formal way, we are saying je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre entretien. All right? Let's repeat together. Je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre entretien. Or you could say, je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre entretien d'embauche. Or you could say simply, je vous souhaite bonne chance. Or you could say simply, bonne chance pour votre entretien. Bonne chance pour votre entretien. There is no need to precise, je vous souhaite. You can say simply, bonne chance pour votre entretien. All right. Let's see our next one. If someone is going to start a new project, any friend, any colleague, any known of you, then what you say? As I told you that the bonne chance is the common way to wish good luck, but now we are talking about project. So what will you say? In English you say, I wish you good luck for your new project. In French you say, if we see the familiar one, then we say bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Nouveau projet means new project. Bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. I repeat, bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Slowly. Bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Or you could say, je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet, right? So now if we see the formal way, then as I told you in the starting, you just say, je vous souhaite. In the place of je te, you say je vous. Je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre nouveau projet. Je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre nouveau projet. Right? Or you could say, bonne chance pour votre nouveau projet. Bonne chance pour votre nouveau projet. Right? So, that is for new project. Right? Now, let's see the third situation. So, if we see how to wish good luck for something like new belonging, then you use bonne chance avec. Bonne chance avec. So, as in English, you say that good luck with your new car. Good luck with your new car. So, in French, you say bonne chance avec ta nouvelle voiture. Voiture is a feminine noun, so you say la voiture. So, bonne chance avec ta nouvelle voiture for familiar way. I repeat again. Bonne chance avec ta nouvelle voiture. And if we see the formal one, then we say bonne chance avec votre nouvelle voiture. We use here avec. Bonne chance avec votre nouvelle voiture. If it is a new house, then you can say bonne chance avec ta nouvelle maison. Bonne chance avec ta nouvelle maison. Because maison, which means house, is a feminine noun in French. La maison. So you say nouvelle maison. Bonne chance avec ta nouvelle maison. Or you could say bonne chance avec votre nouvelle maison. Alright. There are so many ways, in fact, depending on either it is any event or, any new belonging or a new project. It depends. But if you are so confused, if you are totally beginner for French language, you can say simply, je te souhaite bonne chance. Je te souhaite bonne chance. Or you could say, je vous souhaite bonne chance for formal situation. All right? Now we are going to see how will you wish someone fast recovery. So by the way, if someone is not fine, either it is member of your family or any friend or a colleague. So in English we say get well soon. In French, what will you say? Je te souhaite un bon rétablissement. Je te souhaite un bon rétablissement. Bon rétablissement, right? Je te souhaite un bon rétablissement, which means get well soon, right? That is for familiar way. As I tell you that je te souhaite, te means that is for familiar way, right? Now, if we see the formal way, then we say je vous souhaite un bon rétablissement. Je vous souhaite un bon rétablissement. If you want to say, I wish you a speedy recovery, as we say in English, I wish you a speedy recovery. How will you say in French? Je te souhaite une convalescence rapide. Je te souhaite une convalescence rapide for familiar way. Now, if we see the formal way, then you say, je vous souhaite une convalescence rapide. Don't forget une convalescence rapide, because convalescence is a feminine noun here, right? Je te souhaite une convalescence rapide, or you could say, je vous souhaite une convalescence rapide. I wish you a speedy recovery. For friends and family, if you just want to say in short way, take good care of yourself, then you just say, prends soin de toi. Prends soin de toi. Take care of yourself. That is the familiar way. And I repeat, prends soin de toi. Take care of yourself. That also we can say if someone is not fine. If we want to see it in formal way, then we say, prenez soin de vous. Prenez soin de vous, right? And another way, if you want to learn another way also, then you can say, I hope that you will get better soon. How will you say that in French? J'espère que tu iras mieux très vite. J'espère que tu iras mieux très vite. That is the familiar way. If you want to say it in formal way, then you say, j'espère que vous irez mieux très vite. J'espère que vous irez mieux très vite. And to conclude this lesson, I just want to say that, if you are an ultimate beginner, then you can opt for a short one. Either you say bonne chance, or you can say je te souhaite bonne chance, or je vous souhaite bonne chance for formal way. Or you could say for, if someone is not feeling well, then you can say prends soin de toi. Prends soin de toi for familiar way, and you can say prenez soin de vous for formal way. Prenez soin de vous for formal way. All right. So how many way we see right now? There are to wish someone good luck for job interview. What will you say? Can you repeat? Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien d'embauche. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton entretien d'embauche. Or you could say in formal way, je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre entretien d'embauche, right? You could say also in simply bonne chance pour ton entretien. Or you could say bonne chance pour votre entretien. That is the easiest way, right? The second one is, can you repeat with me? As we say, if we want to wish someone good luck for a new project, then we say je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Or you could say in formal way, je vous souhaite bonne chance pour votre nouveau projet. Or you could say simply bonne chance pour votre nouveau projet. That is the formal one. What is the familiar one? Je te souhaite bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. In short way, tell me. Bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Bonne chance pour ton nouveau projet. Right? Now, if we are talking about a new belonging, for an example, someone get new car, new house, or, what you say? Bonne chance avec. Bonne chance avec ta nouvelle voiture. Bonne chance avec ta nouvelle voiture. Or you could say bonne chance avec votre nouvelle voiture. Keep in mind that voiture, which means car, is a feminine word. So you will say nouvelle at the end is double L-E. Nouvelle. If it is a masculine word, then use only single L at the end. But for feminine noun, you will add a double L-E at the end of nouvelle, right? So if we want to say in short way, in easy way, you just say je te souhaite bonne chance for familiar way, or you could say je vous souhaite bonne chance for formal way. That is the easiest way, right? Now, if someone is not feeling well, if you go hospital by the way, or someone is not fine and you went to meet, how will you say? So as we say in English, get well. So what will you say in French? Je te souhaite un bon rétablissement. Je te souhaite un bon rétablissement. Or what you will say in formal way? Je vous souhaite un bon rétablissement. If you want to wish speedy recovery, then what you say? Je te souhaite une convalescence rapide. Je te souhaite une convalescence rapide for familiar way. What will you say in formal situation? Je vous souhaite une convalescence rapide. Je vous souhaite une convalescence rapide. All right? Let's see the next one. I hope that you will get better soon. I hope that you will get better soon. Then you say, j'espère que tu iras mieux très vite. J'espère que tu iras mieux très vite. That is the familiar one. What will you say for formal situation? J'espère que vous irez mieux très vite. If you want to say in short way, take care of yourself, then what you say? Prends soin de toi. Prends soin de toi for familiar way. I mean for your friend and family. If it is formal situation, then you say, prenez soin de vous. Prenez soin de vous. So there is another way also. Suppose you wish someone to have a good stay. You would like to wish someone with anyone is going for holiday and you would like to wish them to have a nice stay. Then you can use a very simple way, que. Que is equivalent of may your stay be pleasant. May your stay be pleasant. How will you say that in French? Que votre séjour soit agréable. Que votre séjour soit agréable. That is especially used for formal situation. Que votre séjour soit agréable. May your stay be pleasant, right? So these are the least but not the last. For an example, if there is marriage anniversary or there is birthday and you don't know what to say, in English we say happy birthday, in French we say joyeux anniversaire. Joyeux anniversaire. So joyeux, you will see here how to write it. That is, anniversaire is a masculine word. So how will you write it? X is at last. Joyeux anniversaire. But if it is for, you want to wish someone to have, good fête. So for that, you will say joyeuse fête, because fête is a feminine noun. So you say joyeuse fête. Joyeuse fête, right? And you could say also meilleurs vœux. Mes meilleurs vœux. If you want to wish that, my best wishes, then you say mes meilleurs vœux. If you want to say our best wishes, then you say nos meilleurs vœux. If suppose you are wishing on behalf of your family members, then you say nos meilleurs vœux, our best wishes, right? So revise well your lesson and don't forget to watch our previous video, which was about the weather in French language, how to tell the weather, how to describe your favorite weather. I will put the link of that video in the description box. If you have any query, then don't hesitate to write it in the comment section, and I hope to see you in my next video. For the time being, see you, bye bye, take care, au revoir et à très bientôt.